Hi guys, welcome to the House of Apps. It is me again. I'm just doing a quick video. It's something a bit different, obviously not the Fire Stick today. We are going to talk about gaming and virtual gaming on your mobile. A lot of people wouldn't expect your mobile to be very good for gaming, but it is a very good system to game, especially for the retro games. Obviously there's a lot of app stores out there that has some really good games, really good playable games. So the first thing you need to have a really good gaming system on your mobile, you need to buy something like this. This is like a gaming controller. Basically, I just open it up like that, put my phone in the middle, and then I close it. These are one of many that you can get on the Amazon store or stores around the web. But yeah, this is the main thing you do need to get, guys. It is a pretty decent thing to have. It's like having a switch in your hand. It responds very well as well. As soon as I turn it on, as you can see, it all lights up lovely like that. But yeah, it's a very good thing to have. So that is the first thing I recommend, getting something like this to play games on your mobile. Basically, I will show you all sorts of things you can do with the gaming, all different sides of it, where you find these games from, as there are more than one app store around the world. You've got loads of app stores. I use quite a few. I will show you that today. But the thing I want to show you as well is having this, you can actually use this on your computer, on your PC, on your Xbox. It works on everything, on your PlayStation, you name it, it works. One other thing is obviously to get the VR gaming in. A lot of people wouldn't think VR gaming would be very good on a mobile, but it is actually very good. It depends where you can find the VR games, guys. I will be doing a thing on my website about gaming and VR gaming and where you get them from and everything else. But I will do a quick tour of it on this video just to let you know. So basically all you do is buy something like this. It's just a normal VR headset. You can get them in any shape or color. It is really good to get for your mobile devices. Basically, you put your phones in the front of them, and then obviously play the VR game that you've downloaded. Where do I get these VR games? That is probably the main question you're going to ask. Well, one thing you do, obviously a lot of people go on the Play Store, but there are so many better VR games and other stores that you probably are not aware about. But the thing is, obviously I will be like talking through it through this channel about gaming, VR gaming, things like that. I'm going to show you a few app stores that you can get the VR games from, and obviously other games that you might not get on the PlayStation, on the Play Store. So yeah, as I said, it is very easy to get games and to get different games on different stores. But yeah, let's have a little look at some of the stores, some of the Play stores that you get and the gaming stores you get on your mobile. So here are some of my favorite ones, and I will show you the VR, how you get the VR games for the VR masks as well. These VR masks are very cheap as well, guys. You can get them anywhere. I get all mine from like people like CEX. I got them for like a couple of quid. They're really cheap, really cheap. But yeah, let's have a little look at what I'm going to show you with the gaming. So guys, you're actually on my phone right now. A lot of people, especially on Android, use the Play Store. You can get VR games and all sorts of games on the Play Store, but they don't do everything you think that is actually around in the world. The ones that I actually do use, I'm going to scroll it over there right now. I've got a folder with app stores on. These are my basic ones that I normally use instead of the Play Store. You've got Aptoide, you've got APK Pure, which is one of the main ones I use, 9 apps. Apps for free, and F-Droid. Just to let you guys know, if you want APK Pure, you go on to the actual browser. If it is on the Play Store, right in your search bar, APK Pure, and download it from there. Once you've done that, obviously you then look for this one right here called 9 apps. You see it in red right there. So I'm going to go in there. You can download that on APK Pure. It's brilliant. But the best thing about this, exactly like APK Pure, it tells you all your drivers that you need for your phone in the top corner, as you can see, ready to install. You can install them all if you like, but I'm not going to on this one. So what we're going to do is obviously go to the search bar. This is where you can get your VR gaming and all the other stores. And all you have to do, guys, is put VR game like so, and then you just press the magnifying glass. Once you've gone on there, obviously you've got loads of VR game stores on there. Some of them are okay, but some of them not that great. But you've got loads, and not just that, but when you scroll down, you then get VR games like VR Shark and VR other apps on here. You keep on going down. There you go, Dino VR Shooter. That's a very, very good game. And yeah, so you know, this is where you get all your gaming from. All you do is basically install these games, and then you basically get out the game that you've just installed, and then you put it on the front of your headset. I will show you how to do that right now. So guys, so here's my headset. I've got loads of others as well, but basically all you do is open up the front. It's that simple. You basically turn on the game you've just installed. So let's just say the Dino one, for instance. You press the play, set it as the goggles on your option when you play it, and then once you've done that, you'll see two screens on your screen itself. So you've got two halves. That's where it comes to play in here. So once you've done that, you just put it in the front, close it like that, and then obviously you just put it on your head like this, straight in. It's in there. You'll be able to play the game. Obviously, I've got a few things that I can play with this. Obviously, I told you you can play it with this. You need to link it up, obviously, with your headset. That's quite easy. It's all done by Bluetooth, guys. So it is very, very easy to connect. And then you can like play a game and look around while you're playing it. It's very, very good fun. And also, you know, and also you can like do other things on there that's really good. Like if you need a bit of a break and you need to get away from the kids, you can use it just to go on a VR beach and stuff like that. It's very good. You get a lot of that stuff on YouTube, guys, as well. You got a lot of VR on YouTube. So yeah, go and have a look. It's very, very good. Another thing I will show you in another video will be the gaming side of the actual thing. So I will be showing you certain apps on that phone, guys. Okay, so you know, I hope I've shown you quite a bit. Obviously, get them stores if you want them. And yeah, and I'll see you on the next show. Please share, like, subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.